The initial proposal ay 138 billion proposal.
Initial.
Para saan yun, Mr. Chair?
Anniversary nga, ma'am.
Anniversary po.
Anong anniversary?
Oo.
130 million pang anibersaryo?
Saan nyo kukunin ito?
Ano gagawin nyo? Una, saan kukunin at anong gagawin nyo sa 130 million pang anibersaryo nyo?
Mr. Chair,
Anibersaryo pang bigay ng additional package.
Hindi anniversary celebration, ma'am. Ang tanong ko lang kung saan nyo kukunin ito. Sa part ba ng working budget ninyo kukunin yung 138?
Baka naman pag, let's give them the benefit of a doubt, Mr. Chair, anniversary budget, 30 years na sila, 137 million, 138
Opo.
million,
Sabihin mo, sir.
siguro naman, hindi naman yung Christmas party or celebration. Siguro naman hindi biyahe. Siguro naman hindi pagkain ng mga officers. Siguro, ito ay pagpalaganap ng mga package. Di ba po? Ano ba yung 138 million?
Ma'am, Mr. Chair.
Oh, ano ba?
Mr. Chair, sorry.
Pakisagot lang, no?
Yes.
Yung 138 million, saan gagamitin at saan ang gagaling? Tapos balik sa tanong ko na yung 600 billion at 431 billion, hindi pa rin maliwanag kung pareho ba to o iba po.
Mr. Chair, we'll just explain very quickly, just for the purposes of to expedite the discussion. What was approved by the board and what was decided in PhilHealth already is the budget for the 30th anniversary was brought down to a few 100,000 pesos only. So maybe we can just, to clarify everything, there's nothing, there's no hundreds of millions, there's no millions. So just so that we can continue with the discussion, please.
Yun ang tinanong ko kanina at sabi mo you will explain it later.
Yes.
So nauna nyo pong sinagot yung mga tanong ni Senator Ligarda kaysa sa mga tanong ko na hindi pa rin nasasagot until now. Pakisagot muna.
So just to answer nga very quickly, Mr. Chair, we are only planning to spend a few 100,000 pesos for 30th anniversary. Yan lang po, wala pong mga excessive spending
So ibig
po.
sabihin
Just to simplify the discussion.
projected pa lang ito.
Actually, may mga proposals,
Proposal.
but
Pero-
Hindi pa natutuloy.
So good.
Hindi
Thank you for asking that.
Hindi pa natutuloy.
You're spending a few hundreds of thousands, but we see on the board, it is not consistent with what the CEO is saying. It's 137.7 million. What is this? An invention, a proposal of some brilliant person? Buti na lang, merong nagkontra at may board. Ano ba ito? Gala night. Gala night. And Sports Fest, 32 million and 13 million. Habang ang dami-daming nangangailangan ng healthcare. Anyway, erase na
Yes.
ito.